If you want to stay in his mind non-stop, you have to become something that feels rare, not something he can access anytime. These strategies work whether you're just talking, dating, or already in a committed relationship. First, create space instead of chasing. People don't long for what's constantly within reach. When you stop hovering or explaining yourself, curiosity steps in. Your silence leaves him, what you're focused on, what you are building, and who else has access to your time. That enigma fuels imagination. Second, let your life reflect progress. When he looks in and sees growth, energy, and progress, it feels like watching something evolve. There's no need to announce it. Your momentum, lifestyle, and silence speak for themselves. People miss what continues moving without them. Third, don't respond to attention-seeking behavior. If he posts or reaches out just to pull your focus, resist the urge to react immediately. When your attention isn't easily triggered, it gains weight and value. Fourth, keep your communication steady and relaxed. When he does message you, don't overdo the enthusiasm. Calm, brief replies signal self-assurance, not neediness. You're not waiting, you're living. Fifth, show that your world is full, without trying too hard. This isn't about excessive flirting. It's about visibly having friends, activities, movement, and social energy. When he sees you're not standing still, the possibility of missing out becomes real. Sixth, give them a name only you use. Something subtle and meaningful. Each time he hears it, it pulls a memory of you into the present. That's how emotional connection becomes automatic association. Seventh, help him grow in some way. Share insight, perspective, or a way of thinking he didn't have before. When someone evolves around you, they link that growth to your presence. Ultimately, being missed isn't about manipulation. It's about showing confidence, direction, and momentum. When you move as though your life truly matters, people feel the difference when you're not there.